In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Radio Garden app to the latest version. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, by updating Radio Garden app, you'll be able to get the latest features that come with this app, and you'll also be able to fix a lot of issues or problems that are associated with your app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now to get started, we need to access the app through either Google Play Store if you are on Android smartphone or App Store if you are on iPhone. So I'm on Android, so I'll go ahead and tap on Play Store here. Now under this, look for your app. And as you can see, I have my app here. So if I tap on it, it will open and you can see we have here an install and open options. Look for any option called update here, and once you find it, go ahead and update it to the latest version. So if you have an update available, it means you have an outdated version of your app. Then you need to update it to the latest version. Once it is done, you'll see now we shall have an open option here, and then go ahead and open your app to start enjoying listening to radio from any part of the world. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.